Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to create hand sketch pencil drawn diagrams or images on Leonardo AI. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the website, and you can just scroll down to you see something very similar to your hand sketch. Now this is a 2D stick man character, which is close to what we want, but it's not hand drawn or sketch. Now and this is the pencil sketch I was talking about. Or if you're looking to draw something like this, all you have to do is to click on the image and wait for it to load. Now you can see the image prompt here. We can copy it immediately, or we can remix this. Once you've remixed it, it will take this prompt to the image section, which is similar to this. It will bring the image prompt here, and now you can edit it to your preference and create the image of your choice. So this is how to draw or to generate a simple hand-drawn pencil sketch. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.